What's up, guys? You're watching another video. Super early morning. It's 7 a.m. Very early for me. I fell asleep at 3:30 editing last video. Literally slept 3 hours, maybe. I'm exhausted, bro, but the grind don't stop. I'm about to head to another car meet today. Gonna go meet up with some homies right now. It's gonna be lit. I'm excited, but I'm tired. I need a Celsius. Look who it is. That's just so clean. Look at the wheels on that thing. That's just crazy. Of course, Mark got the burbles and I don't. But I can't wait to put an exhaust on here. It's so quiet.
You need that in your life.
I know. It's like David's twin, guys. I don't think him and David has cruised together yet. That'd be sick to see them both on the freeway. Also got the new headlights. That's just fast. I was also thinking of getting those taillights too, guys. What do you guys think? Good, bro. It sounded stick shift too. I wonder if it's stick shift. Alright, guys, we made it. All the BMWs are parked over here. We got sent to the other side because we're broke. I'm just kidding.
We need a Lambo to
There's gonna be crazy cars over there. I can't wait to show you guys, but there's a bunch of Beamers on this side. E92 on BS's. What was that, M8? Another F80 with red interior? That's just fire. So look, this is where we parked, and all the cool cars are over here. So many Ferraris and supercars. Damn, look at the Huracan, guys. That shit is so crazy. It's super freaking loud too. Oh! That shit's crazy. God damn, look at this, guys. So many Ferraris. This one's insane. Probably the most expensive one here, huh? How much do you think this car is worth? Like realistically, like looking at it, yeah. Like for real,
I mean, you just said it. So.
I know, but how much do you think?
motorcycle in the wrong lane.
I don't know. 90,000?
She thinks it's $90,000.
Maybe just a wheel.
Kevin? Hi. Hi.
How are you?
Buddy Enrique. They sent us another parking lot.
No, me too. I parked in the back.
No, you did not, bro. You got in here, huh? How much is this car realistically?
I think it's like 3 million.
3 million? No way.
Yeah, I don't know, honestly. I know it's in the millions for sure.
Sick, bro. Look at this. Gated stick shift too. That's fire. Carbon doors. It's insane, bro. So sick. Is that the one that Joseph was driving the other day? Who remembers that video? Look how crazy this is. I swear, every time I see this car, it keeps getting worse and worse, bro. He literally daily drives his SVJ. And it's all messed up. Look, he literally has duct tape on the bumper. It's insane, dude. I wonder how much a new front bumper is, actually. I think it's probably like the highest mileage SVJ you'll ever see, too. He does not care. He drives it at every single rally, as you can tell. I didn't even treat my freaking 350Z like that. What the heck? You parked right there? How'd you get in here?
That's not my car.
You paid him.
Oh, wow.
He for sure paid him.
That's not my car.
Homie, EJ's M8, Kevin's GTS. How did Kevin get in here, bro? How'd they all get in here? They literally told me to park in the other parking lot. They said we weren't rich enough, guys. Supra? Oh, Huracan? Damn. Man, that thing's sick, bro. Performante?
All good.
Badass. That shit's sick too. Look at that body kit and the carbon fiber wing. Look at the old guy. Oh, it's just sick. Look how low it is too. Sheesh. So many supercars. SV. Guys, I might have found my favorite car here. It's about to pull in, watch. Oh,
It's hard, bro.
God, bro. That's definitely the sickest car.
That is sick.
Bro, this car is sick, dude. Oh my God. Definitely my favorite car here, guys. God damn, bro. Black with red accents. It's literally perfect, bro. And then there's a yellow one too. Yellow convertible. That's pretty sick too. It's like a matte yellow. That's hard. So far, that black SV is definitely my favorite. This shit's pretty sick too. Oh, it's hella baller. What the alarm went off. I think I got too close. It's so insane, bro. It's so nice. Bro, there's so much money in this parking lot right now. It's not even funny. When are you gonna get one of those, Kevin?
This week.
For real?
Come with me, let's go.
I'm down. They got a 2-for-1 special. GT3 RS.
Making $1 million deals.
The clear taillights. Yeah, there's so much money in this parking lot.
Oh my god.
What, bro? Look at this Porsche. This shit is sick. He wants to make a video with it. Who wants to see this on the channel? You can see it or what? Oh, you could kind of see the exhaust. Damn, that shit's crazy. The exhaust looks sick.
I hear up on IG, bro.
For sure, bro. I'm down. Yeah, that's his car. He said it makes like 1,000 horsepower. So we'll probably do a video with this soon, guys. That's a badass Porsche. I don't think I've ever been in a 1,000 horsepower Porsche. Honestly, I don't think I've been in a Porsche in general. Actually, I have been in one GT3 RS, but this will be fun to drive in. That shit's sick. It's a sick color too. The 765 LT
Yeah, I grew up in the city spot.
with the 4 exhausts. Sheesh. These things are badass. I think they're hella expensive too. Bro, everything in here is hella expensive. See, now I can see why they didn't let us in this parking lot. They wanted to save some spots for these guys. What do you guys think about this wrap, guys? And the wheels. That shit's insane, huh? Look at the cops. CHP. I don't know what they're gonna say. All the colors. I think that's like the first set of lime green BBSs for sure, I bet. So many Ferraris here. There's actually a lot of Ferraris here. R8, some Porsches. Bro, that thing is insane. Look at the mirrors, how much they stick out.
That's crazy.
Damn, must be nice. Can you adopt me? What do you guys think he does for a living, guys? To just be driving his LaFerrari out. Must be nice, bro. Look at the freaking mirrors, bro. That's like the thing that sticks out the most to me. The mirrors are crazy. Look at everyone just looking at it.
Yo, what's the difference?
This 2014?
No way, for real?
Yeah, that's what.
Oh, that shit old. My F80's newer. No, I'm just kidding.
Newer technology?
What is yours? 16?
Like I said, guys, there's so much money in this parking lot right now. Just these 2 cars alone are insane. How much money is that, realistically? Probably like 10 mil? Just right there. Those dogs look rich, too. Man, this thing's sick. Look at the R8, guys. You guys know I want one of these. This thing's badass. It's like a satin white, like a satin pearl white. This is a new one, too. Bro, this is sick, guys. Look at the paint job on this thing. Damn, that looks crazy in the sun, bro. Damn, that's just hella nice. Huracans. That one has sick interior. Oh my god, guys, look at this thing. STO and like a satin brown. For sure paint. That's just so sick. Rich, huh?
Big ballers.
God damn, that shit is sick.
I like the M4 better.
The M4?
Imagine.
What's your favorite car?
Besides mine?
Besides yours.
It's either gonna be the LaFerrari or the SV.
The SV?
I think it is.
The yellow one
Honestly,
or the black one?
Right color, so I'm gonna go yellow.
Oh, I knew you were gonna pick the yellow. And you like it because it's convertible
I would wrap it orange.
too.
I'd wrap it orange.
I'm surprised you don't like this Huracan with the orange seats right there.
No, it's sick, but nah.
I think this is that new Raptor, guys. The Raptor R or something like that. Doesn't it have like a Shelby engine in it, I believe? Look, guys, Raptor R right here. $180,000 for that truck. There's no way, bro. The SVJ? Sheesh. The LaFerrari is leaving. Dude, that dude almost rear-ended it. I'd be scared to drive behind it. Imagine you rear-ended him. You guys think he's gonna scrape the LaFerrari or no? Look, 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 look. How much do you think that front bumper is? Oh, he got it. That thing is sick. Here's that crazy looking Huracan that we saw the other day. That thing's sick. Wow. Kevin's treating us his breakfast on the beach. Damn. Thanks, Kevin.
Hey, they give you more chicken, bro.
But the beach looks so nice. We're literally eating right on the beach. What?
You're my best friend. Thanks, Nick. Appreciate it.
Should we do the credit card roulette? See who gets it? We can do it. My shit's gonna get declined. I need to be on Mark's level though. Look how much stuff he has done to it. And the wheel fitment is crazy. Now you guys can see on with the bags. Did you put the intakes on yet or no? What the? Freaking Kevin, bro. He was supposed to wait for us. Literally on the floor, guys. It's crazy. Part of me wants to bag it. I like my fitment, but the bags are just way more convenient. And it just looks sick too when it's on the floor.
You just needed to save your lips.
And that too, I know, that's what I mean. Mark said he's been through like, what, 6 lips? More? So I already know I'm gonna break my lips. He's on bags and he's breaking lips. So imagine me, guys, I can't raise it up. I have to stay this low. Even this morning, I scraped the front bumper so bad and I don't even have a lip on it. If I had a lip, I for sure would have broke my lip this morning. This looks sick too. How you painted the, oh, you wrapped them, huh?
Yeah.
Look at the bars inside, guys. That's pretty sick. And mine are like black. But if you wrap them, they stand out. Damn it. This car makes me want to go order a bunch of new parts right now. Definitely want to upgrade the headlights one day. You can see the difference now, look. Side by side, those are like the 2018 headlights. They look like more black housings, no more chrome. That looks way better. The homie's E92 is stick shift. And these seats are hard, bro. I'm pretty sure these are pretty expensive too. That's fire with the Alcantara center thing. Alcantara steering wheel and a stick shift. That's hard. All right, guys, we out. That meet was super fun, but have a cool little cruise home with all the BMWs. We got the E92, we got the F80, we got the M4 GTS. We also have the homie in the M8. I don't know where he's at, but he's here too. The Beamer squad today. We got a little lowrider. Kevin's car is actually so loud. You guys want to hear mine? It's horrible, bro. Why is my car so quiet? It's just a hybrid. I can't wait to get an exhaust, guys. There's the M8. It's just so fire. They're hella fast too. That color though. That's the same one as Kitson. Same color. I love Mark's F8. It's just so nice.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.